Hello friends, welcome to the Infinitus Gest-Aid Plus sales training. In this short film, we will share with you the way to recommend Gest-Aid Plus to your clients. An integrated sales process can be divided into 4 stages. The first step is to understand the client's current situation and what their exact needs are. The second step is to introduce the product. The third step is to facilitate the purchase successfully. Lastly, the after-sales follow-up. Every client has their own unique needs. To generate the client's interest in our products so that they are willing to consume it, we must find out and understand their needs before recommending a product that is suitable to their needs. I will now take Mr. Wong's case as an example to illustrate the entire flow of the sales process. Mr. Wong is a businessman who is passionate about his job. When he is having meals, socializing with his clients, smoking and drinking are sometimes unavoidable. Recently, he began experiencing gastrointestinal discomforts, and this is affecting his work. Mr. Wong is aware that his current lifestyle and dietary habits will eventually take a toll on his health in the future, and his business operations may be greatly affected. Therefore, he is urgently looking for a solution to solve his health problems. Firstly, we can start by discussing the health information relevant to the client to generate the client's interest, and from there, we may proceed to understand Mr. Wong's current condition to identify his needs. Referring to Mr. Wong's condition, we can start with information on gastrointestinal health. According to essential readings for medical professionals by Li Zhongzi of the Ming Dynasty, it is stated that the spleen is the foundation of one's acquired constitution. In terms of modern medicine, the spleen, in the context of Chinese medicine, refers to the entire digestive system, which includes the spleen, stomach, small intestines, and colon. But why is spleen so important and said to be the foundation of one's acquired constitution? This is because human beings ingest food for nourishment since they were born, and the food will be transformed into energy once digested. Good or bad, all food will be absorbed by the stomach and intestines. The essential nutrients will be naturally absorbed if the gastrointestinal function is in good condition. Conversely, if the gastrointestinal function is abnormal, not only that the essential nutrients are unable to be absorbed, but it may significantly impact on one's overall wellness. Does Mr. Wong actually have a healthy digestive system? We may show our concern towards Mr. Wong by asking whether he has any symptoms of digestive problems. If Mr. Wong has any symptoms mentioned above, he must be alerted that it might lead to some gastrointestinal diseases, for instance, stomach function disorder, intestinal allergic reactions, serious constipation, or in severe cases, it might even lead to gastrointestinal cancer. In Hong Kong, gastric disorder is the most common disease of the digestive system. The Institute of Digestive Diseases of the Faculty of Medicine, the Chinese University of Hong Kong, together with Hong Kong Mood Disorders Center, have conducted a survey involving 2011 random citizens. They discovered that about 10% of the interviewees suffer from some kind of gastric disorder. Based on this ratio, there are approximately 420,000 people suffering from gastric disorders in Hong Kong. Among the interviewees with gastric disorder, about 70% of them said they will feel bloated or discomfort after a meal. About 40% of them experienced early satiety and is unable to finish a complete meal, or have gastric pains and heartburn. More than 20% have gastroesophageal reflux disease. What are the causes of gastrointestinal problems? Generally, there are 5 factors that could lead to gastrointestinal problems. These include unrestricted diet, unhealthy lifestyle, congenital weak constitution, improper use of medications, as well as mental and emotional factors. In terms of mental and emotional factors, a hectic lifestyle and stress at work can also lead to gastrointestinal problems. A survey discovered that the rate of gastrointestinal disorders increased by almost twofold among individuals who suffered from huge economic loss during the financial crisis in 2008, compared to those who only suffered minimal or no loss. If we neglect the above symptoms, it will gradually lead to gastric mucosa damage, as well as imbalance of the intestinal flora, which can eventually lead to more severe gastrointestinal diseases. Therefore, in order to keep a healthy gastrointestinal system, in addition to leading a healthy lifestyle and maintaining balance, both physically and mentally, we need healthcare products of high quality to repair the damaged gastrointestinal tract and to prevent even more serious illnesses. Infinitus Gest-Aid Plus is definitely the expert care for our gastrointestinal system. The Gest-Aid Plus is unique in that it is an ancient formula that is used in a modern way. It is the result of traditional Chinese medicine merging with modern technology. When introducing Gest-Aid Plus to Mr. Wong, we can use the FAB sales approach. That means to combine the F, features, A, advantages of Gest-Aid Plus, and the B, benefits of that Gest-Aid Plus can offer to our clients. The uniqueness of Gest-Aid Plus is that it is an ancient formula used in a modern way. The ancient formula refers to the Shenling Baizhu powder of the prescriptions of the Bureau of Taiping People's Welfare Pharmacy during the Song Dynasty. This formula is mild, warming, but not heaty, nourishing, and yet does not overload the organs. Clinical usage have shown that it is able to treat indigestion, chronic colitis, gastritis, duodenal ulcer, diarrhea, and other gastrointestinal diseases. The modern way means merging modern high technology with the ancient formula by adding in Hericium erinaceus polysaccharides and two types of oligosaccharides, xylo-oligosaccharides and iso-malto-oligosaccharide. But how do they actually work? Let's understand the structure of our stomach first. The stomach has 4 layers from the outermost serous membrane to the innermost mucous membrane. There are countless folds on the mucous membrane, which will also secrete gastric fluid. They come into contact with food the most and digest them at the same time. Since the gastric mucosa is in constant contact with food that can cause friction, plus the surge of gastric acid, this becomes the most problem-prone area. The polysaccharides from Hericium erinaceus in Gest-Aid Plus repairs the gastric mucosa effectively, promotes blood circulation in gastric mucosa, enhances its defense capabilities, improves digestive functions, and overall stomach health. As for our large intestine, there are billions of bacteria that consist of probiotics, neutral bacteria, and harmful bacteria. As long as the number of different bacteria populations are balanced, the large intestine can function properly. However, when there is a sudden rise in harmful bacteria, it causes an imbalance in the bacteria population, and our body will start to experience loss of appetite, abdominal pain, diarrhea, constipation, and other symptoms. There are some products containing probiotics in the market, where the probiotics may be digested in the stomach and may not reach the large intestines. The 2 types of oligosaccharides in Gest-Aid Plus will not be digested by the stomach or small intestines, but go straight to the large intestines, which promotes the growth of probiotics in the gut and improves nutrient absorption in the digestive tract, with detoxification effect in the gut. Who should consume Gest-Aid Plus? This product is suitable for those with gastrointestinal disorders such as poor appetite, gastric pain, bloatedness, hiccups, hyperacidity, nausea, abdominal pain, flatulence, diarrhea, constipation, and others. In addition, for those who wish to maintain a healthy digestive system and prevent gastrointestinal diseases, this is a suitable product for them. Taking Gest-Aid Plus is very simple. Take 1 vial twice daily. For best results, consume before a meal. For those who are pregnant, breastfeeding, and under any medications, please consult your doctor or nutritionist for advice before using this product. By consuming Gest-Aid Plus and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, Mr. Wong's gastrointestinal discomforts can be reduced, at the same time decrease the risk of getting severe gastrointestinal diseases. It will also help him remain energetic to go full force in his work. This is how Gest-Aid Plus can benefit Mr. Wong. When Mr. Wong understands how Gest-Aid Plus can help solve his health issues and meet his needs, we can then recommend Gest-Aid Plus to him. After your client starts consuming the product, please remember to do regular follow-ups on your client's progress. Through these few simple steps, we can recommend Gest-Aid Plus to our family and friends to help improve their digestive system. Now, let's go and understand what our client needs, and then recommend them Gest-Aid Plus. Gest-Aid Plus helps regulate your digestive functions and protects your intestines. It is the expert care for your digestive system. Thank you for watching.